all trades and a master to none, right? Oftentimes better than master of one.
Okay. Hey guys, myself Ayush Sharwani, and welcome to our first episode, India Got Startup, and with me, one of the founders from Zinecus.
Great.
So tell me about your Zinecus. Why Zinecus?
Basically now what happened ki first I will tell about myself that I have been a robotics and tech guy since my childhood. I
Okay.
started with sketching, then slowly I moved forward with small crafts, thermocol and all the small things I used to
Okay,
do.
get it.
Okay, then I slowly went to robotics, aero modeling. I learned about them.
Okay.
I have been passionate since 6th class.
Oh.
I've played a lot of nationals, I've been to IITs, and I've literally explored this field from the core actually.
Okay.
And then when I grew up and I came into 12th class, I thought, yeah, okay, now I have a knowledge about tech, and now I want to explore the bigger side, the startup, the companies, how they are formed. So I decided to make a
You
prototype.
got encouraged by people seeing yes.
Exactly. And there was one of my mentors.
Okay.
And he asked me a very great question. He was like, Adi, do you want to be the guy who is in the company, or do you want to be the guy who want to run the company?
Okay.
Like, yeah, I want to be the second one. I would want to be the Steve Jobs.
Definitely.
So then I thought of Zinecus that tech is there in India, but only talks. Why
Okay.
not actually bring the hardware
Yes.
in India? Make something from scratch.
That's so amazing,
Made in
yeah.
India.
Huh.
So then we thought about Zinecus. I made a prototype with all the knowledge that I had in the world.
Okay.
I made that and went to Dubai.
Oh, that's so amazing, yeah.
Zinecus.
So how do you guys meet?
We met in college actually.
Okay.
So I am from a business background moreover.
Okay.
And at the age जहाँ पे खिलौने के साथ खेलना था, my father told me जाओ काम करो.
अच्छा.
He talked to a guy in a stationery near me,
Okay.
near my house, and he said कि इसको काम पे रखो.
Okay.
Whatever there would be.
हाँ.
So I was on the registry job.
ओ धंधा करना है.
कितनी पेंसिल बिकी,
हाँ.
नोट डाउन करो, कैलकुलेट करो, 5 रुपए की बिकी है एक दिन में पूरा ऐसे.
अच्छा.
So that was my beginning of in the business side.
Okay. Okay.
And eventually, now once you begin that, then your entire life goes on like that only.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So you cannot sit in a place or in a crowd where people don't know business.
Absolutely.
That's
Yes.
boring.
That's boring. Yes.
Right? And when I went to college, I met no one like me.
Okay.
I was all the day I was in the library doing nothing, just studying here and there all these
Oh.
topics, and then luckily I met him.
Okay.
He was also bored. So he also came to library and we
Oh.
met in the library and we started talking.
अच्छा रोबोटिक्स के
Yeah.
ऊपर या
Robotics के ऊपर,
space या-
business के
Business
ऊपर.
and,
अच्छा एंड यू जस्ट मतलब ट्विन हो गया एक
हाँ,
हाँ.
ट्विनिंग हो गई यस
That's where we connected and that's where the idea came in कि यार साथ में कुछ तो करते हैं.
ओके ओके
That was not कि कंपनी बनाते हैं,
हाँ.
कुछ तो करते हैं.
Yes.
एक लिटिल स्टार्ट
कुछ तो करते हैं.
Yes.
मेरे पास भी दोस्त नहीं, तुम्हारे पास भी दोस्त नहीं, चलो दोस्ती बन जाते हैं.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
So that's where our friendship began, and that's eventually in 2 and 3 months. That's where the company began.
okay that's
That's
so
where,
amazing yeah so if I want to know you have developed your the robot
Correct.
yes how much time does it take to develop that
So honestly ना see मैंने लर्न तो किया है पहले कि टेक कैसे बनता है.
Okay.
But there is a huge difference between making a product
Okay.
and making a project.
correct
Okay, so I started my first robot. Actually, the robot that we also did a POC with one of the big company in Dubai. I started it in May 2023.
oh okay
I finished my first robot in approximately 4 months, and it was a complete polished product, and it was working. It was a reception robot actually. You can talk. And
Acha, okay.
Yeah, he can do check-ins and all the small things. And luckily, when we showed that to some of the people that we knew from Zytex last time,
Acha.
they said, "Ki, yaar, let's take it to our office and let's test it out."
oh
So
okay.
they, even helped us in bringing the robot. They handled everything. They were like, "Yeah, don't worry, we will handle it. Take care of everything.
okay.
You just bring the robot." I was like, "Okay, let's go." So that was my second, I would say, move from a project guy to a company guy.
okay
Okay. So yeah, so approximately 3 to 4 months it took me.
oh that's so amazing yeah So as I know, you went to Dubai, as you said.
Yeah.
So what did you do in Dubai? मतलब tell me about the journey. Dubai में ऐसा क्या तुमने?
Okay, so honestly ना, I was very excited because I was like कि यार इतने साल हो गए ना, I've never been international alone.
Okay.
And I was very nervous. First time flying.
Obviously यार मैंने जब flight में first time ride की थी यार, I was my heart was beating so fast था.
Oh shit, अब crash होगा.
So that was it. And वहाँ पे जाते ही मतलब ना literally I had a day for myself, but after everything closed because my plan was कि यार देखो हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, दुबई जा रहे हैं ठीक है, but our main purpose is to actually make the things work. Otherwise कोई फायदा ही नहीं है बाहर जाके यार.
Right.
So हमारा ये था कि it was approximately 4 days.
Okay.
4 days में मतलब 3 दिन पूरा बिजी था. यहाँ जाना है, इनसे मिलना है, रोबोट लगाना है, सेट करना है, सब कुछ करना है, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे पहुंचे एंड एवरीबॉडी लाइक अरे यार ये कौन है, ये बच्चे से ये लो सेटअप कर रहे हैं. एंड देन वी गॉट टू नो अच्छा Zemeckis they are building the robot, oh my god. And then we slowly got the recognition. And one of the companies was there was it's a very big manufacturing company in beverages and foods.
Okay.
And we presented there. तो मतलब पहले काम था, फिर हमने थोड़ा रिलैक्स भी करा, हम घूमे बुर्ज खलीफा ये वो.
अच्छा थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर किया, ठीक है.
सफारी में तो बहुत लाइक यार आज आखिर में यार
आज तो धूम मचाना है.
फिर रात को फ्लाइट थी तो दैट्स हाउ इट्स बीन.
ओके. सो व्हाट्स योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? अब क्या करने का सोच रहे हो इसको लेके?
सो ऑनेस्टली ना देखो, अभी हम उस स्टेज पे हैं जहाँ पे ना अभी भी हमारा एक होता है 0 to 1, एक होता है 1 to 10.
ओके.
लकीली हम 0 to 1 पे आ गए हैं. अब हमारा प्लान है 1 to 10 जाने का.
ओके.
जिसके अंदर हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हम अभी 2 रोबोट्स लेके चलेंगे अपने साथ. एक हमारा सेमी ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट एज अ प्रीमियम ऑफरिंग,
ओके,
एंड दूसरा हमारा ट्रे वाला सर्विस रोबोट. तो वी आर अभी राइट नाउ इन सर्विस एंड सेमी ह्यूमनॉइड्स.
ओके. ओके.
हमारा जो लॉन्ग टर्म गेम है ना, वो ये है कि हमको फुल ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट बनाना है.
ओके. नाइस.
लुकिंग एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ ह्यूमन, एंड्रॉइड दैट यू वुड से.
ओके.
who
यस.
can do any task. We want to make those robots for every sector, starting with hospitality.
Hospitality, correct.
So that's our long game, and for right now we are focusing on these 2 robots.
Okay. And have you got any investment from any investor or reach out to?
Yeah, we closed a pre-seed from Agility Ventures.
Okay, nice.
Yes. At a 4 crore valuation.
Oh, that's so amazing, yaar.
So, that became I would say a starting push
Okay.
into the market. जैसे हम explore कर पाए, we
Right,
can
right, right,
try new
right.
things.
Correct.
And once we tried new things, we
Uh-huh.
once got the idea of the market.
Okay.
Now it was time to pivot and adapt according to it.
Okay, okay.
So that's where the stage is right now. That's
Correct,
where we
like-
are right now. It's time to adapt for us.
Yeah, I would love to see your robot once again. Yeah, when I first met you guys, I mean, it was so amazing to see the robot functionality and all. Yeah, I just love it. I mean, I'm sure it will definitely grow and I mean scale up in such a stage that everybody should, I mean, had to look it up. Yeah, and people are so busy and they need someone like a reception robot or whatever it's in technology.
Right.
So yeah, so if I ask one more thing, I mean, what motivate you? I mean, to come into creating a robot. मतलब
Honestly, Ayush, I will really be honest. I'm a very aggressive person. Very aggressive. For me, the things that normal people do, कि यार okay, wake up, go to office, come back. It's very boring, यार. I
तुम्हें कभी लड़ाई वड़ाई हुई है कभी आपस में?
ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज पता है मेरे लिए ना हर एक चीज काफी एक्साइटिंग एंड वो होनी चाहिए लर्निंग कर्व.
Okay.
ठीक है, सबको पता है यार कि सब उठते हैं, जाते हैं, जॉब करते हैं, काम करते हैं,
Correct, हाँ.
उससे बाहर क्या है?
कुछ भी नहीं
वही तो जानना है
भाई. हाँ.
वही तो रियल चीज है. सो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग दैट इज डिफरेंट, वेरी डिफरेंट. आई एम नॉट इवन सेइंग यूनिक, आई एम सेइंग डिफरेंट.
Absolutely, हाँ.
Okay, and it's not because I hate jobs or something. I respect people. Yeah, we have families. Because of them, we are actually doing this.
Correct,
So
हाँ.
it's just that my choice is very different. And I'm very aggressive guy. So I'm like यार मैं एक जगह तो बैठ ही नहीं सकता भाई. ठीक है, मैं बैठ ही नहीं सकता एक जगह. तो मेरे को नॉलेज थी रोबोटिक्स की पहले.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा रोबोट बनाना आ गया है, प्रोडक्ट बनाना आ गया है. अब देखते हैं मार्केट में घुसते हैं ना यार.
Okay.
बिकॉज पता है ऑनेस्टली इशू क्या था ना, यहाँ पे ना लोग चाइना से बहुत लोग रोबोट्स लाते हैं.
हाँ,
अपना नाम
correct,
ला के
हाँ.
बेच देते हैं. मैंने कहा मेड इन इंडिया तो कुछ है ही नहीं यहाँ पे.
Obviously,
कुछ
हाँ.
भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ.
तो हमने कहा कि यार हम स्क्रैच से बनाएंगे और वो बनाएंगे जो लोगों को चाहिए एक्चुअली में.
एक मेड इन इंडिया लेबल रहेगा आपके
लेबल भी
technology
है,
में.
सब कुछ है यार. but you know, it gives the power for the customers of the customization.
Okay.
That's, you know,
For me, it was more about the stigma that people have in India.
Okay.
And you know, have you heard the quote, the jack of all trades
Yes.
and the master
Yes,
of one?
yes.
Yeah. Now, there are two parts to this quote. The first one, everyone knows.
Okay.
The second one is something my grandfather told.
Okay.
And that is that the jack of all trades and a master to none, right? Oftentimes better than master of one,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So always explore everything.
Definitely.
Whatever it might be, however useless or however useful it might be, always explore it.
Yeah.
And my family, my father was always in this business structure where he always wanted to shift from job to job to job to job and
Wow.
climb up the ladder.
You saw the struggle बहुत
saw
है
the
यहाँ.
struggle.
So why not build your own startup
Why,
वगैरह?
why not build your own empire?
exactly.
Correct, हाँ.
Correct, where is empire?
हाँ, and then hire people और फिर उनको बोला तब यहाँ से वहाँ जाए करके. So yeah.
So when जब eventually मैं school के time तक पहुंचा, you know, when I was on +2,
Okay.
then my entire perspective started to grow on things.
Okay.
I started to went to these conferences of IEEE where people do research paper publishing and all these things, right? And I met people who were either professors or scientists at particular things, right? And they always told me one thing is if you master something, yeah, then your chances of getting into that,
Okay.
yeah, it's much lower.
Oh yes.
Because once you master it, yeah, it's stuck in your mind.
definitely,
Then you
yeah.
cannot adapt to something new.
Correct.
So always try to be a polymath. Try
Absolutely.
to have 5, 6, 7 certain things and try to master them all at the same time. It will be
Okay.
tough, but it will be worth it.
Oh
So that's where I started. That's where I went from कि अच्छा कॉलेज स्टूडेंट है,
हाँ.
कंपनी भी शुरू करेंगे, केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग भी पढ़ेंगे, मैकेनिकल भी पढ़ेंगे,
बहुत
कंप्यूटर भी
सारा.
पढ़ेंगे, सब पढ़ेंगे
PhD एक आ गया हमारे पास.
और फिर कंपनी बनाएंगे.
सही है यार. That's so awesome कि यार मुझे रख लो यार. I would like to work with you guys. So if I mean tell to the peoples or the future entrepreneurs who are मतलब starting in an ideation stage, what would you tell them? मतलब उन्हें क्या बताना चाहोगे कि वो क्या अपने कम एज पे या कॉलेज लाइफ में स्टार्ट कर लें या whatever you can suggest?
See, honestly, I would like to say one thing that is very important. That is exploring. People don't explore. ठीक है? They are like कि यार अच्छा इतने क्लब से हमारे स्कूल में तो यही होता है. Nobody goes actually deep into it. ठीक है? एक क्वेश्चन है दैट यू नो somebody asked me and he was like कि आदि सब ठीक है भाई, how bad do you want it? क्या कर सकते हो तुम?
Right.
एक्सप्लोर से ऊपर आती है रिस्क.
Correct.
ठीक है, जब तक वो थ्रिल नहीं है ना,
हाँ.
मतलब लिटरली कॉलेज में ऐसा है कि ही तो यूज टू अटेंड द कॉलेज, मैं तो हार्ड में जाएगा कॉलेज, मैं नहीं जा रहा. डिवाइड कर लो मेरे को तो मजा आता है उसमें. मैं उस टाइम पे मतलब लिटरली आई वाज पिचिंग टू वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कंपनीज इन दुबई.
Okay.
एंड वो पढ़ रहे होते थे वहाँ पे कॉलेज में, पढ़ लो भाई, कर दो डिवाइड.
Oh.
तो मतलब आई हैव लर्न दैट कि यार मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगा, always be hungry for something more.
Definitely.
That
हाँ,
is
कि
what
हंगर
is
है तो वो
right
फिर
now.
करने का कुछ मन करता है
I
आपका,
think
है
you
ना?
should not suggest young people to give up college and be departed.
यार प्लीज कॉलेज करो यार.
कॉलेज कर लेना यार. तो आई वुड से कि always be aggressive and you know just keep doing it.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's all.
Yeah. So let's wrap up, and thank you so much, guys, for joining us this session. It's our very first episode, so please hit like, subscribe our channel, and we'll love to see your comments on these Zenekas. If you would like to contact them,
Yes.
there's a link down below and in description section as well. So thank you so much for joining us, guys.